Hey guys, welcome to Unreal Legends. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use warp stabilizer and speed on the exact same clip on Premiere Pro. So usually what would happen is if you apply speed to the video, so I'm going to apply speed to this video. This video is like really shaky, like as you can see. You can see how shaky it is. If I add warp stabilizer right now, like it would obviously work. But as soon as I add speed to it, like let's say I want to speed up this video, I'm going to speed up to 800. So just like that, it's sped up. And I want to add warp stabilizer. I'm going to search warp stabilizer and I'm going to apply it. And once you drag it on, as you can see, it's going to give you an error saying warp stabilizer and speed cannot be used in the same clip. There's actually a simple fix to this. What you actually need to do is you need to right click and you click on nest. You can call it whatever you want, but I'm just going to call it MVI. I'm going to call it the same as the video so I don't get confused. You can do this as well. Click OK, and what it's going to do is going to nest the sequence. And if you double click on this, then you'll see the original video and you can see that it's been sped up over here. You can change the speed, whatever. And on the original, this is the original timeline. This is a nested sequence. And if I drag warp stabilizer right now, it's going to work. Once it is done, you should have a stabilized video and sped up at the exact same time. And as you can see, it looks really nice. As you can see right here. And it's no longer shaky, and at the same time it's sped up. So let's say you want to create a time lapse, and but you can't add warp stabilizer. At the same time, you can do what I just did, and you can also change the speed whenever you like. So double click on this, you go in here, you can change the speed to 1600. I'm gonna change to 1600, but obviously when I do that, it's gonna cause a bit of problems here. And what you can do, you can half it, and you need to add the stabilizer. You need to add the stabilizer again if you want to do that. You need to restabilize it because you changed the speed because the original stabilizer was applied to the original speed. That's if you want. This is if you want to change the speed, but I recommend you undo the changes, change the speed, and apply it on that. As you can see right now, the speed has been changed. It's a much faster video. It looks really stable now. Like before, it was all shaky. So anyway guys, I'm gonna end this video here. I'm gonna wrap up this video. So thank you for watching, and yeah, peace out.